Hi guys, today we're going to be creating a Instagram story for free using Canva. So today we're going to be creating stories for Instagram for free. So we are going to go onto Canva, which is the online system again. And on the top bar here, if you could just scroll across until you find Instagram story, which is the 1080 by 1920, which is the official size for Instagram stories. So it will create a blank canvas, and as you can see, it's a vertical shape for story. So on the left hand side, you will have some templates that you can choose. Now you can shortcut this through the tabs on the top to see what type of videos you want to create. Or you can just type in the keywords on the top here and it will filter it for you. So you can just sort of check on here. Some of these are videos and some of these are just swipe across with 2 or more images on there. So if we'd select this one, and for this second page we just need to add a page in there. Add this one here, we'll give it 2 storylines. So what we can do is change the text and also the images. If we want to remove the images, we can remove the images too, and you can replace it with your own image on there. So you can just change the text if you wanted to, change the dates, location, and you also got the price on here as well. So if you wanted to change all of these, you can do. And again, we can increase the text size. Of all the text here, so we can just sort of drag it and make it slightly larger or across. And we can also change the font and color of the text. And that's including the dates also. So whatever you wanted to change, so if we wanted to change that to blue as well. So now we've got the entry tickets price. We can sort of make that large. We can add bold and we can add some effects on there as well. So we can add the outline on there just to give it a bolder look and make it stand out. And then you can add your website on the bottom. You can also replace this and change this about if you wanted to. So once that's done, you just need to select share, press download, and it will save it. And it will save it as a video format rather than a static page. As we saw previously, it was a video that we saw, so these will jump in and you'll be able to see this once you've downloaded it onto your desktop. And again, you can add your own logo, change the text size on this as well. So you just need to press uploads and select your logo and add your logo onto here as well. You can also remove these texts and replace images if you needed to. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and I hope you like this session.